Once you have a website, you need to get traffic to that website. And the main way to get traffic to your website is through search engines. And with search engines, you want to show up really high within search results to be able to get the most traffic. So throughout this course, we're going to be going through various ways that you can work within your website to create better ranking within search results. As well, we're going to be going through different resources, tips, tweaks, and a whole lot more. Everything to do with SEO, which is search engine optimization. In this lesson, I want to talk about getting indexed. Now, what that means is that your content, your website pages will be able to be found within search engines. Search engines are going to do what's called crawling to be able to find your web pages. And what this is that they send out an algorithm that indexes your search results within their search engines, and that gives them the ability to serve up that content to their users that enter in specific wording within their search engines. So search engine crawlers might look at a number of different factors when they're crawling a site. Not every page is going to get indexed by search engines. There are lots of search engines out there, but there's only a few that drive most of the traffic. So we're going to be focusing the majority of the content within this course in regards to those. The big three main search engines that we're going to focus on are Google, Yahoo, and Bing. And Google by far being the largest influencer for the amount of traffic that your website will be receiving. So ideally, you should focus on what Google suggests for better search engine ranking.